Thank you. Honorable Minister, you have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank the Honorable Kiran for asking the question. My apologies, Ms. Kiran. Mr. Speaker, sir, in line with the whole government review on ease of doing business, spearheaded by the Ministry of Trade, Cooperatives, Small and Medium Enterprises and Communication, the Ministry of Employment, Productivity and Workplace Relations has reviewed the effectiveness of the general workplace inspections and audits conducted by the National OHS Inspectorate at workplaces in Fiji. Mr. Speaker, sir, the World Bank, through the Ministry of Trade, Cooperative, SMEs and Communication, reported on 25th August 2023 the following issues: that the Ministry of Employment, through the National OHS Service, does not have a full list of businesses and workplaces to be inspected. The updated data is available at the Fiji Revenue and Customs Service and the Registrar of Companies, but this is not shared with the agencies or made publicly available. Only a small percentage of businesses and workplaces in Fiji are inspected. Publicly available information from 2018 indicates that FRCS had 28,984 SMEs and workplaces registered in its database. This number would have grown significantly, sir, since Fiji's reopening after the pandemic. Mr. Speaker, sir, the OHS inspectors spend significant amount of time inspecting workplaces and businesses which are already compliant. And this time could be better spent visiting and advising non-compliant workplaces and SMEs. Mr. Speaker, sir, in today's rapidly evolving business landscape, it is essential to strike a balance between ensuring the health and safety of workers while also supporting businesses' growth and employment creation. As such, there is a growing need to review and potentially adapt existing health and safety regulations to better align with the needs of businesses and facilitate job creation. Mr. Speaker, sir, the amendment to the regulations introduces a new clause in Part 26, Regulation 66, new sub-regulations 1 and 2A and B of the General Workplace Conditions, Regulation 24, outlines a risk-based inspection and audit provision with a proposed schedule. Mr. Speaker, sir, the provisions and schedules outline the workplaces based on high and low risk and corresponding inspection and audit frequencies. Low-risk workplaces, Mr. Speaker, sir, to be inspected and audited at least once every 3 years. These workplaces present minimal safety hazards. High-risk workplaces, sir, to be inspected and audited at least annually and based on the elevated level of risk which has the potential to cause accidents, injuries, or even death. Mr. Speaker, sir, also an inclusion in Regulation 66 is a new Regulation 4, which requires that in the case of non-compliance on the part of an employer rated as low-risk workplace, the Chief Inspector and the Chief Health and Safety Inspector has the power to classify the workplace as high risk. Mr. Speaker, sir, the occupational health and safety is one of the critical areas for businesses anywhere in the world. Because of any non-compliance in this area, there will be significant impacts on human lives as well as the work environment. Mr. Speaker, sir, ensuring compliance with OHS laws is a priority for this government, and hence the need for review of these regulations was very critical for ease of doing business for both public and private sectors. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.